Hi, my name is Emenike Collins, also known as AJ Collins Galvanize. At the end of this video, I would love you to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and comment as well. And don't forget to click the notification button to get new updates. And don't forget, it's hashtag say no to depression.
Many are trying to mount up without the wings of an eagle. Many chicks are trying to fly, whereas it takes some time to grow wings. It takes some time to learn to flap them. It takes some time to learn to ascend
with them into uncertain
altitudes. Indeed, there are inorganic age in this day and age that might put a man under the false assumption of flight. The parachute, for instance, can aid you and you might find a way in the air, but it's all a sham. It's not true flight. The procedure for true flight has been presented already. If you want to truly fly, there must be a walking and not fainting. There must be a running and not weary. You shouldn't complain. You should continue to put in effort. Then we grow wings and begin to flap them. Then comes our flight, our mounting up and our soaring. It takes some time and it takes some strength. He who must fly and then soar must know that the lessons of walking and running must be taken seriously. Diligence is the quality of being productive, strategic, resilient, and unbending. When a rock breaks at the umpteenth stroke of an axe, then every stroke has contributed to it, even the very first stroke. Do not despise the days of continual diligence at working at a goal that seemed far-fetched, for suddenly the result will appear. Do not despise the days of diligent effort. Do not despise the days of little beginning, for suddenly your results will appear. When you are diligent, you will be steady enough not to stop. Being diligent means to be steady in what you are doing. Being diligent means not to stop doing what you are doing. To keep putting in effort on a steady basis. Do not despise the days of continual diligent effort at working at a goal that seemed far-fetched, for suddenly the results will appear. For extemporaneously the results will appear.
Thank you for watching to the end. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. It's still hashtag say no to depression. I celebrate you.